A very warm good morning, my lovely students. Today, as you know that according to our schedule, it is our EVS class. EVS subject is very interesting subject and it is very easy subject. It is based on mostly practicals. It is if we will take only bookish knowledge, then it will not be possible that we will get all the information. So EVS is based on practicals. So today's class we are going to do chapter number 16, that is means of transport. What we are going to do? Means of transport. So my dear students, many thousands of years ago, early human, he had to walk to go from one place to another place. But at that time, he just walk and then go. And then they learned to ride on animals, because at that time we had not these vehicles like buses, cars, etc. And after that they invented the wheel, which made their traveling very easy. And nowadays, as you can see, we are having many different means of transport to take people and carry goods. Goods means saman, anywhere easily. Taking things from one place to another is called transporting. And the vehicles used for transporting are known as means of transport. People use different means of transport while going from one place to another place. So, there are the main means of transport. These are the means of transport, or we can say modes of transport. The three modes of transports are land transport, water transport and air transport. So first of all, we will discuss about means of land transport. As you know, the meaning of land is the surface. So all the vehicles run on roads, run on lands are called land transport. In big cities, people use many means of transport like buses, cars, scooters, jeeps and auto rickshaws. In Delhi, CNG engines are used. These vehicles run on the roads. And here are some pictures like truck, jeep, scooter, bicycle, train, metro, rail and bullock cart, horse cart, car. In villages or in towns, people mostly use tongas, cycle rickshaws, bullock carts, etc. And even sometimes they travel on the horses, elephants, camels and donkeys. In desert like Rajasthan, people they use camels to travel from one place to another. Sometimes they use animals to move their luggage. Luggage means saman from one place to another place. And trains run on rail tracks. Rail tracks, two iron pipes on that train runs. So that is why they are called the railways, because trains run on rail tracks. Because of that they are known as railways. And trains carry passengers as well as goods from one place to another place. The main use of transport to take people or to carry goods from one place to another. It is an important means of transport. Trains are of different types like metro trains or goods train, electric train, steam train engine and diesel engine. There are passenger trains, superfast trains and good trains. Goods trains, they carry goods, means they carry saman from one place to another. And some trains are run by steam engines. Some of them use diesel engines and some are run by electricity. A metro train is the train that runs under the ground or on the ground as well as over the ground, that is on overhead rail tracks in a city. And you know that all the vehicles have wheels to move on land. If buses, cars, bicycles, auto rickshaws, if they will not have wheels, they cannot run. So, the next mode of transport is water transport. Water transport is a kind of transportation by using water, and it means the process of moving people or goods by boat, ship over water. Examples such as a large boat, ship or sailboat over a body of water such as sea, ocean, lake, canal or river. To cross the lake, sea and rivers, we make use of boats, ships and steamers. Cargo ships carry heavy goods. Ships provide the cheapest, means sasta, means of transport. Submarines are used for traveling under the water. And motorboat, it is a small boat that run fastly by an engine. The third means of transport is air transport. People use helicopters, jet, aeroplanes and hot air balloons for traveling. They use helicopters and aeroplanes for traveling long distances in a short time. These are run by the pilots. Aeroplanes carry luggage also. Scientists launch rockets into the space for research work. If they want to research something into the space, they launch rockets. But it is the costly but a fastest means of transport. Most vehicles need some fuel to move, and the most commonly fuels are petrol, diesel, electricity and CNG. It is a type of gas. The gas that we are having in our homes, that is different and it is different. That is LPG gas, liquid petroleum gas. We should not waste fuel. If we want to travel long distances, then we should use trains, interstate buses or aeroplanes. And if we want to travel from one country to another country, means for long distances, then we use aeroplanes and ships. And if we want to transport our goods, our luggages, heavy luggage, then it is transported from one place to another using trucks, trains and aeroplanes or ships. So my dear students, it was the chapter that was means of transport. In this, we had studied about 3 types of means of transport: land transport, water transport and air transport. I hope that the chapter is clear to you. So you all are requested to read the chapter carefully. Thank you. Have a nice day.